spacious, grand looking living room where you can put your, it's a modular kitchen which is super spacious, and you can luxurious master bedroom. There is ample amount of. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Jaysha. Today we are at New Town Phase 2 by the builder Vajram, which is located at Kanisandra Main Road of Bellary Road for a sample flat tour. Well, we will get to know a lot about the project in detail, but before that, let's understand what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the builders, thereby giving you a bottom rate price, the best rate possible. Unlike the other current listing platform where you do an inquiry or number shared with different brokers and you end up with a lot of unwanted calls. Housey is one such platform where the listing is done directly by the builders. So hurry up, go book your dream home directly with the builders through Housey. So yes, let's talk about the project overview. The project Vajram New Town Phase 2 is located at Kanisandra Main Road of Bellary Road. The available towers are 2 towers with the available stories are 2 basements plus ground plus 17 floors, and the available variants are 3 and 4 BHK luxury apartments. Now let's talk about the connectivity. This project is just 6 kilometers away from the Bharatiya Mall of Bengaluru, and it is just few minutes away from the international airport, and this project is just 10 minutes away from Phoenix Mall of Bengaluru. And now let's talk about the amenities. This project has all the modern amenities such as gymnasium, clubhouse, swimming pool, multi-purpose game court, yoga lounge, walking track and many more. Yes, right now we are in front of 2 BHK sample flat called New Town Phase 2 by the builder Vajram. So yes, let's have a look at the sample flat. So as you walk inside, this is your foyer place where you can put your shoe rack or you can customize it the way you want. As you walk further inside, you can see this is your spacious, grand looking living room where you can put your sofa, your television unit, wherever you want, and you can customize it. And near the living room we have this balcony with the French sliding door. So yes, this is your balcony. So as you can see, this is very spacious and long, and here they've given a green mat finish, but you can customize it and decorate it the way you want. So you can have your plantation, you can put your sitting area, and you can enjoy your leisure time over here. So yes, this is your balcony in the living area. So now it's time to check the dining area. So adjacent to the living area, you can find this spacious dining area where you can put your dining table and chairs, and you can decorate it again. And near the dining area, this is your kitchen area. It's a modular kitchen which is super spacious, and you can customize it just like this, the modular kitchen with a lot of storage spaces. And near the kitchen, we have the utility area. So this is your utility area, again super spacious and very long. So you can put your washing machine and other utility things over here. So yes, this was your kitchen and utility area. Now it's time to check the common bathroom in this 2 BHK flat. So this is your common bathroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipment, and there is a window for ventilation. So right below the wash basin, you have a space which you can customize it as your storage unit. And now it's time to check the first bedroom. So this is your spacious first bedroom. There's ample amount of space where you can put your bed, your drawing, where you can put your bed, your study table or your dressing table, and right in front of the bed you can have your television unit. And this is your wardrobe space which is super big, and over here we have the window for ventilation and for natural sunlight, and also we have a sitting area where you can sit and relax. So yes, this is your first bedroom, and now it's time to check the master bedroom. But before that, let's understand what Housey does for us. At Housey, we provide sample flat tour, actual location tour, the pros and details why you should invest in this project, the pricing details such as EMI and down payment, and also 360-degree virtual project tour. And now let's have a look at the master bedroom. So this is your luxurious master bedroom. There is ample amount of space, as you can see. A lot of space has been provided for your bed and for your television space. Yes, so this could be your television space, and you have your study space, and also you have a lot of space to roam around your bed. So now it's time to check the balcony in this master bedroom. So this is your balcony, which is super long and spacious, so you can customize it the way you want. You can have your plantation and your sitting area, and you can have a green mat finish just like this. So that was your balcony in the master bedroom. Now it's time to check the walk-in wardrobe in this master bedroom. So this is your walk-in wardrobe. So as you can see, it's a big wardrobe. So you can also put your wardrobe just like this. And you have a big mirror over here. Yes, for your dressing purpose. So this is your dressing area with walk-in wardrobe. And now it's time to check the bathroom. So this is your bathroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary equipment, window for ventilation, and there's a lot of space for storing purpose. So where you can put your storage unit. So this is the bathroom in the master bedroom. So yes friends, that was all about the 2 BHK sample flat tour. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, yes, do mention in the comment section below. If you have any feedback for this project, yes, we welcome all kind of constructive feedbacks. And before you go, do not forget to like, share, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to Housey to know about such wonderful videos. See you in the next video. Bye. So everyone, this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project New Town Phase 2, which is located at Tanisandra Main Road of Bellary Road by the builder Vajram.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.